Hello everyone, this is Prakhar from Smart Interviews and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we have Akash with us, who has successfully got offers from Deloitte and eAppSys for 8 lakh per annum and 12 lakh per annum package respectively. So today we are going to be discussing with him that how he has basically prepared for his interview rounds and how Smart Interviews played a crucial role in his journey. So let's get started.
Hi everyone, so this is Akash and I'm currently pursuing my final year computer science engineering. My coding journey started like around at the ending of second year. So in the very beginning, like in the every semester I used to just read the just about the curriculum, whatever it is there, C fundamentals, Python fundamentals and all. And in the third semester, like I took C++ and I started my coding journey from third semester on. But my journey with Smart Interviews has been started after my ending of my fourth semester, that is in the beginning of third year. From then on, I started improving a lot about my problem solving skills, and I was been into contests, into coding, into coding field, like data structures and algorithm learning in a great manner and all. It started from my third year seriously, and then during my placements also I started revising a lot about DSA, practicing a lot many questions, and eventually getting placed into two companies. One is Deloitte as a technical consultant with CTC of 7.6, and other is a Oracle based partner which is eAppSys. It is CTC is like 12 LPA.
What motivated you to pursue your current field of study?
Generally I am interested into problem solving, solving real world problems. I'm interested into real world problems, and I've been observing in my intermediate I've been observing the current trend over the country, that software industry is being booming at that time. And also people were saying that through software engineering our life will be better and all. And also like you will be you will be solving the real world problems through this path. And that was a very initial stage while give a thought I need to become a computer science engineer. My journey, like the coding journey, it has been majorly impacted by Smart Interviews. Like that gave me a boost to solve real world problems, how to tackle a problem, what are the various approaches existed to solve a problem, how we can think critically. Those all I gained through Smart Interviews, and at that time, like in my third year, I was able to get it. And also the idea of Smart Interviews I got through my friends who were doing previous batches, like in the second year ending, like they were into some courses in the Smart Interviews Smart Coder batch, and they suggested me do Smart Interviews. It is really helpful. And also my seniors who got placed into big companies, they also suggested to do Smart Interviews and all. That's where but problem solving kind of thing came into picture.
At your place, at your home, how was your father and mother reacted when you chose to get into the college that you are in, not in NITs or IITs?
My mother was particular about getting into NITs and IITs, but they felt a bit bad, I didn't get into those big colleges. But they were super happy. When I was completely demotivated with my rank, I got a bit decent rank only, but it was not sufficient to get into CSC in some good colleges. So I was totally distressed at that time. I thought of taking a drop also, and I was convincing my parents I'll take a drop and all. Then I didn't expect from MSET only, I'll be getting a good rank in MSET, but I got very good rank. So everyone was surprised, and I was also now started thinking, okay, there's something MSET, I need to go to this college. Some good colleges from MSET I picked it, and I got the first priority whichever it is there, compared to placements and all. And I was super happy after entering over there.
How's your parents feeling right now, and how you are feeling right now?
Yeah, parents are completely super happy about my package and my placement. They were totally in the very initial beginning, I had some downfalls, I didn't get into some companies. They were a bit scared whether he'll get a job or not. Then I got some good offers. They were super proud about me, and now they go everywhere and say my son is got placed in some good company with some decent package and everyone. And about me, I'm also super happy right now, and also learn completely motivated to learn more new things, and hearing about very big companies and trying something great in life. I'm thinking about all those things right now, improving my more problem skills, and also doing more development, freelancing, and all about to start. I have a plan to do something in the near future.
Were there any obstacles or like or challenges in your educational journey or academic journey per se, like personally or otherwise, like, and how did you overcome them?
Yeah, when it comes to hurdles, yeah, in the very initial beginning of starting my coding journey, like in my second semester when where they introduced Python in our college, Python was easy. So without any roadmap and stuff, I started directly went into HackerRank and was doing some problems. Like in the very beginning, easy problem was also very struggle for me because just knowing basics like how to make a list, how to do a for loop, and all those basic things, I was able to tackle very easy problems. When it comes to normal easy problems, also like I wasn't able to do. I used to get something known as TLE. I used to not at all know what is it exactly. Like I used to make list of lists, and I used to like do complete. I use all the space only. Like I make so many lists for every for loop. I used to make a new list and all very basic things I used to solve in my second and third semester, and those were also so difficult for me at those time. But I like had a mindset ki nah, we need to do not just CG is matter. The main thing is about problem things that is going to be tested in our interviews. So we need to do work. I used to be consistent enough to do HackerRank. Then I started like people were saying ki do lead code, give contests, go do coaches and all. But yeah, like I used to not have so many skills to do those things.
So how was your overall experience learning with smart interviews?
It was like it was an amazing experience. Like I would say it's for a lifetime. Something really great thing that I have done in my engineering is to take smart interviews, and then the essence of learning from smart interviews is something that is truly inspiring also. Yeah, it is a competitive nature and all. Everything is included in it. You'll get to know about many things in the 3-4 months, and then after that, I got some good time. Like 1 or 2 months, I got placement holidays. Then I started refining my complete DSA, which I've learned. Daily used to revise the notes, and I used to like follow DSA sheets. Actually, I used to follow DSA sheets, give you contests, and all those things that really impacted me in my inter placements was too good. Actually, yeah.
Was there any event or a moment, like while studying with smart interviews, which basically had a profound impact on your academic journey?
There was a technical fest in my college event, which was like bug beaters actually, which was basically like debugging the code. That was basic. The main thing was debugging the a given code will be there. You have to pass all the test cases over it. So it was like there were 3 questions, and we pairwise. It was a pairwise. Me and my friend were there, and the 3 coding questions were given: easy, medium, and hard question. Coming to the medium one, it was a bit tricky question actually. It was a panagram question. We were able to do that problem in the medium problem, and coming to the hard it was totally hard. It was a combination of DP plus tree, and all the complex data structures were included in it, and we were trying our best to like do the thing. We were trying to complete it. We were applying all our approaches, like whatever we have learned so far, but it was a completely new type of thing, which is very confusing manner. Like it took us a so long time to understand what exactly the question is about, like what we need to use, what are the data structures required and all. But like eventually, like all our learnings which were there so far, we were able to implement it in a proper constructive manner, and we were able to solve it properly. And finally, yeah, that we got the top in that, and we got a cash prize of 2,000 in our technical fest of our college. So it was a bit good one.
Belated congratulations for that. I mean, that's great. That's great. If I ask you to explain smart interviews in one word or a sentence, so what would it be?
It is a course that basically enhances your problem solving skills, the way you think, the way you build the things. Like it is like something like what is data structure, like efficiently storing the things, right? It is like efficiently using your mind. Basically it basically sharpens your mind, the way you think, the way you tackle a problem. It gives us a nice path, it gives us a creative way to solve a problem. Yeah, I would say it would be it's a creative path basically.
And like if I ask you to recommend smart interviews to others, so would you do that?
Yeah, 100% I would do that. I'll say do it in the very first years of your college. Like you'll get to know about lot many things, guidance from their seniors. It was like totally 100% worthy. It just gave me something like can go somewhere, and I can do something.
So Akash, that's all from my side, and thank you for doing this. And all the best for your future endeavors, and really congratulations.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it. To enjoy more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel, and please let us know in the comments what other content would you like us to create. Thank you once again, and we'll see you in the next Smart Success video.